Welcome to BPlanMaker.com. Thinking about starting your own auto repair shop? You can probably already picture the business you want to build, but putting that idea into a professional business plan means research, writing, financial projections, and that's where a lot of people get stuck. Don't let the paperwork kill the momentum. We've already put the complete auto repair shop business plan together for you. It covers your business concept, your target market, operations, marketing management, even a 3 year financial projection. Just go through it, add your business name, location, pricing, and numbers, and shape it around the business you want to build. Instead of starting from zero, you'll know what belongs in the plan and have a clear place to begin. If you're ready to move your idea forward, click the link in the description to see the complete plan and download it today at bplanmaker.com. You've already got the idea. Now put a plan behind it.